Welcome back to another squat mistakes video. Today we're going to cover partial range of motion or quarter squats. Why are we doing quarter squats? If you feel like you're only doing half squats or quarter squats because you're limited by mobility, get out of this video. Go check out our mobility series, and there's tests as to what you can do to test your mobility. So go and watch that instead. This video is made for people who are basically changing the depth on their squat and not squatting to the same depth consistently. I literally just saw this yesterday where somebody puts 100 pounds on a bar and their squats are looking great. They're hitting depth every time, their technique is super solid, and then as they put 135, 225, 275 on the bar, they go from squatting to depth to doing a half squat to doing a quarter squat. Like what? And maybe you don't mean to do that, but how do we fix that? One thing I tell clients regularly is that if a rep isn't perfect, if it isn't consistent, we consider it failed. What? I stood back up with a bar. Why would it be considered a failed rep, bro? Because if you only consider reps that are perfect to be counted as reps, that means that your rep quality is gonna be super, super high, which means as you start to load the bar heavier and heavier, you're gonna build confidence and have a high degree of quality on your squats every time you get under that bar. How can you ensure this? Video record yourself in the gym. Set up right beside the barbell, set up from the back or the front. Record yourself from multiple angles, but make sure you're being consistent every single rep, especially on your heavier sets. And those heavier sets are something to learn from. So if you find that you're cutting depth on heavier squats, or you have knee cave on heavier squats, those more challenging weights are gonna show you your weaknesses. So that's okay, but don't count them as accomplished reps unless you're maxing out. Like, you're gonna have some breakdown in form if you're maxing out, but video record yourself and only count reps that are perfect as completed reps. So quit doing partial range of motion, bro. If you descend 6 inches in a squat and stand back up, that ain't a squat unless you're a baby. That's just the truth. That's today's video. Smash the like button, subscribe below, and check out all our other squat manuals and tutorials on rapidfitnessonline.com, the best freaking gym around. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe, you know what to do. Smash it! Smash it! Come on, smash it!